To have a more user-friendly home, it doesn't take much. Can't get the lid off? Deflate a balloon over it so that it fits snugly. Done! Maybe you didn't know about this tip for fizzy drinks. Doing this, the drink won't go flat. Put a few drops of soap between one sheet of paper toweling and next. When it has completely dried out, cut out a bunch of small squares. A few drops of water will be enough for you to wash your hands at any time while you are away from home. Handy! Here's some valuable advice for the winter. Hang up wet clothes near a radiator and cover it with a sheet. The sheet will trap the heat and speed up the drying time. You should always keep a sock full of salt in the car to absorb moisture. Combats unpleasant odors and fogged up windows. Before eating popcorn, do this. Ready for snacking. Reuse dried out wet wipes for cleaning chores. Using a little disinfectant, you can wipe away any stains. Perfect! Even when it seems almost finished, there is still some toothpaste in the tube. To get it all out, use a peg. A great anti-waste solution.